In this video, we'll be answering the question, how to use ShopWired for wholesale discounts. If you're looking for a simple way to access wholesale pricing and boost your online sales, this is for you. Stick around because I'll also share some alternatives that might be a better fit for your business. And I'm going to give you an exclusive extended free trial that you won't find anywhere else. So let's get straight into it. First off, ShopWired is an e-commerce platform designed to help businesses sell online with a focus on ease of use and customizable features. It's a great option if you're looking for something that simplifies the wholesale process. One of the major perks is its ability to integrate wholesale discounts into your online store. But while it's effective, it's not without its limitations. Next thing, ShopWired allows you to set up customer-specific pricing. This means you can offer different pricing structures to your wholesale customers, which is a huge advantage for bulk sales. You can also set up tiered pricing, which encourages customers to buy more by offering them deeper discounts as they purchase larger quantities. However, the downside here is that customizing these discounts can be a little tricky for beginners, especially when it comes to managing different types of pricing for different customer groups. Now, let's move on to the third thing. ShopWired integrates with major payment processors, allowing seamless transactions. It's got everything from PayPal to Stripe, and even manual payment methods, which is essential for any business handling large orders. But the platform could do more in terms of offering better built-in reporting tools, so you'll need third-party tools for detailed data analysis, which can be an extra cost for some businesses. The fourth thing is inventory management. With ShopWired, you can manage your inventory across multiple sales channels and even keep track of stock in real time. However, the system is not as intuitive as it could be, and it can be a challenge for businesses with larger inventories or fast-moving products. The user interface could use a bit of improvement in this area. Next up, ShopWired provides integration with a wide range of shipping options, including options for discounts on bulk shipping. This is fantastic for businesses looking to scale up. But the platform lacks some advanced features seen in competitors like Shopify, especially in terms of shipping rules and automation for specific regions or orders. The final thing worth mentioning is customer support. While ShopWired does offer decent support, some users report delays when it comes to responding to queries. It's certainly not as fast as some of its competitors, which could be a deal breaker if you're running a fast-paced business. Now, before you make a decision, I want to mention that while ShopWired is a solid platform, I've also got some alternatives that might be a better fit for your specific needs. These alternatives not only offer better wholesale discount features, but also come with more intuitive interfaces, advanced analytics, and quicker customer support. In fact, I have a special link for you that will give you an exclusive and extended free trial for these alternatives. This is something only available to our viewers, and it's the best deal you'll find out there. So, to sum it up, ShopWired is great for businesses looking for a simple, cost-effective e-commerce solution, but it might not have everything you need when it comes to wholesale discounts and large-scale operations. Check out our exclusive free trial link for a better fit for your business goals and get all the features ShopWired may lack.